Welcome back, beauties. Your girl has got some new hair. Mercy's Hair Extension sent me 2 bundles to review and to create a bomb style from. I got the 18-inch Mongolian Kinky Curly 3B 3C texture and also the 16-inch. Now this is my first time opening up the package and the hair was super soft. This is actually, and I'm not lying, the softest hair I've ever received. I can tell it was co-washed, and I do believe this is enough for a full head. It really made me want to do a weave, but you know, your girl's not really into weaves now. So I had to get creative and thought, why not kick it with a bomb-ass ponytail? I've seen so many people have done ponytails before. I've never done it, always wanted to try it. So I said, why not? To start off, I'm doing this on a 3-day-old wash and go. I went into the shower and rinsed my hair clean with water and sectioned my hair. Miss Jessie is the only product I'm going to be using for this. Before I start, I section off my little curls just to keep that out of the way. I'm working on wet hair. Taking a good amount of gel, I apply it through my hair, smoothing the roots and making sure it's detangled, defined, and the hair is clumped together. You guys know the brush really matters and ensures that you're going to have a nice sleek ponytail. I know in the beginning of the video you did see me with a few brushes. That is only because I am very indecisive and a girl like me needs options because not every brush will keep your hair down the same. This brush did the trick. It's nothing special. I got it from Sally's Beauty. One thing about me when I'm doing my ponytails, I make sure it's not tight at all. I know I have the elastic band wrapped around my hair a few times, but the ponytail is not tight because I ain't trying to lose no edges. Alright, so when I'm done with the ponytail, I go back in with a little bit of more gel and water and make sure that the ends are nice and curled and they're not frizzy. They're nice and clumped. You see that? Yeah, that's what I mean. Yes, girl, go on, girl, go on. Before installing, the hair was sprayed with a lot of water and coated with the coily custard. I take the track and carefully and firmly wrap it around my hair, making sure the tracks are lined up. And when I'm done, I wrap some hair around to hide the track. I also add more water and more gel just to keep it extra moist, and I do a little finger detangling to make sure everything gets blended well. I was really surprised. Like, I knew I could do it, but my results, I was really happy. I had to give myself a pat on the back. This is the hair when it's fully dried. Mercy hair extension. Thank you guys so much. I love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys for the next video.